How to find your post's privacy settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and after that click hub and then click these three lines here and on here click settings and then click privacy, and that's it. Now scroll down and here you will find my posts. Just click on it and manage anything you want here. You can manage anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.